Did you enjoy Susan Perrow telling the story of the little gnome that had to stay home? We're going to have a go at making a little gnome of our own from things that we can find at home. Today I've got some magazine pages that we've torn out, and I'm going to use a ruler, and I've got sticky tape, but you might have plain paper or glue or a paper clip, and we're going to make our own little gnome. Our little gnome has a body, a hat and a cape. We're going to start with the body. So we need one of our pieces of paper, and we're going to use our ruler, or you can use the edge of your bench or table if you like, and we're going to tear it across like this. That's a spare piece, and we're going to make a roll. So we're just going to roll that up, roll, 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 and there we have a body for the gnome. Now we need to stick it together or else it keeps coming undone. So I'm going to use a bit of sticky tape, or you can use glue or a paper clip. If you don't have any of those things, you can just press the edges over and that will hold your gnome's body together. Right, next we need to make our gnome a hat. We're going to make a triangle. So we don't need a piece of paper quite this big, so we're going to make it a bit smaller by tearing it a bit smaller. And then we need to make a square. So to make a square, fold a triangle first, so fold it over, press down there. And we take our edge again, so either the table or the ruler, and we tear off this extra bit here. There we are. Now we have a square, and it's got a line down the middle. If we use that line and we tear as well, what we end up with is two triangles. We're going to take one of those triangles and we're going to roll it into a cone. We're going to start on the edge of the triangle, and it's rolling just like the other one, but we're going to do it a little bit special. We're going to do a nice small roll at this end and a nice big open roll at this end. So we have a little cone. Now just check that it fits on your gnome's body. That's a good fit. So all I need to do now is I don't need sticky tape for this one. I can just fold that over that way and fold that one up that way. And we've made a little hat. Now take your little body and pop on the hat. Now we just need to make the cape. We're going to take one more piece of paper, and you can use some of the scraps of the other one to make a cape if you like, but I've got another piece of paper out of a magazine here. And we're going to make another square. So we're going to tear this one first, and then we're going to fold it over to the other edge, which makes a triangle here, and this is our extra bit. We're going to tear off the extra bit. And we're going to take your triangle, fold it in half, then fold it in half again, and then fold it again. And then we're going to do a little bit more tearing. So on this open edge here, all you need to do is tear it off. Tear it around if you like. There we are. Now open it up and we've got a beautiful cape. Now let's see. Yes, that fits perfectly. So I'm going to use some sticky tape on mine, but you can use glue or a stapler or whatever you have. So there is our little gnome. How many things can you find for your gnome to do at home?